100 campuses. Can you all clap for all of the students? And we are going live in more than 180 countries.
And we have been waiting for, we would love to hear from you.
We need to remind ourselves the world belongs to us. Especially the youth, you start owning the world right now. You are the future of our planet. There are some blocks to it. One of that is drug, another is stress. If we can just overcome these two humps, then your road is very smooth. Then you can achieve your dreams. You can uplift the whole planet. Whether it is environmental issues or economy, social issues, you can all do a lot. There are great scientists here, budding scientists, but that scientist in you is getting covered by stress. And the other villain that has entered our society is drug. So today we are all going to take this vow, say no to drugs. Na karenge, na karne denge. Can you take this vow, everybody here?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. If some people are doing drugs, what is that compels them to do that? They are looking for some higher experience. Looking for happiness, isn't it? Nobody is taking drugs to become miserable. Drug only promises you happiness but doesn't deliver you. Huh? So, don't be tricked by it. Don't be tricked by this idea that it is going to give you some extraterrestrial experience. It's not. It is destroying our nervous system, our life, and our social life, family life, our career, everything is affected by drugs. So, today, let's take this sankalpa, determination to say no to drugs. If any one of your friend is taking or doing it, we should not be harsh on them. We know, we understand them. Why they are doing that? They're looking for something. They're seeking happiness. They're seeking for something bigger. And to deliver that, I am here for you. Here, in this art of living, with all workshops, of breathing workshop, yoga, meditation, all this, it gives you that elevation which you are looking for. It relaxes us beyond our imagination, takes us away from stress, and creates that body among all of us. Each one of us here are a treasure of talents, and we need to tap our talents. And I'm really happy with all the faculties here. When Mr. Bharat came to Bangalore, he said he wants to do this, implement in the colleges here and all the other institutions. I said, yes, I am here for that. I know whatever it is, I will squeeze my time somehow. I come because it's my duty, it's my job, like it is every one of us' job to see the youth of this country be happy, prosperous, and progressive. Are you all here? Everybody there in the back? And I also thank all other institutions who have joined hands today with this determination of making our country a better place. India has already achieved a lot in the past few years. In the world's map, we are really ranking higher. Place we need to create. Do you agree with me? Do you agree? Andru manavale. Kada?
కాదు ఒక దగ్గర ఉండట్లేదు
తెలుగు భాష ఇచ్చింది ఒక సెంటెన్స్ మొత్తం దునియా మొత్తం ప్రపంచంకు ఏమంటే అందరూ మన వాళ్ళే. ఆ ఆత్మీయ భావం పెరగాలి, వెలగాలి. అందరూ ముఖములు ఒక చిరునవ్వు కలిపి ఒక కనుకోవాలి మనం. అలాగే కదా? ఇది పెట్టుకోండి మీ మనసులో. హసో ఆర్ హస ఉంటుంది. దాని లోపల మనం పాజిటివిటీ తీసుకొని రావాలి. అది ఒక ఛాలెంజ్. బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టీమ్. And this team is doing, see, so many youths are already, how many students are already engaged in this work? Raise your hand. Look at that, thousands of them are already engaged. Join them, together we can all achieve this. A drug-free India, we can do that. Yeah.
గురుది నేను కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్. మామూలుగా నా పేరెంట్స్ నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి, కానీ మా ఇంట్లో మా మమ్మ నాన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేను సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను. ఇది ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి?
మొదలుగా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి, భూతకాలంలో ప్రాబ్లం ఎంతో వచ్చింది, అన్ని ప్రాబ్లం వదిలేసారు కదా, అదన్నీ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అయింది కదా. కనుక్కోవాలి, ఇది అట్లా ఇప్పుడు కూడా జరుగుతుంది, అట్లే అవుతుంది అని ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెట్టుకోండి. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ అవుతుంది. ఓహో, దట్స్ అ బిగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. I know. When you fall in love, sometimes you get hurt, right? That too, Isaac has lot of cliffs. You go up on the mountain, then you fall, and you get hurt. Don't worry, we repair the broken hearts here in Art of Living. You catch hold of any one of the counselor, any one of the teachers. They will tell you how you can just sail over your unsurmountable problem that you face.